6.5 magnitude earthquake struck Garut Regency late on Friday night, April 27, 2024 at 23:29 Western Indonesia time. According to the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency, the earthquake epicenter was located 151 kilometers southwest of Garut Regency in the ocean with a depth of 10 kilometers. The Garut Regional Disaster Management Agency report as of 11:55 Western Indonesia time that 67 homes were affected by the quake, which impacted 20 sub-districts covering 27 villages and 4 urban areas. Additionally, 4 infrastructure facilities, including the Pamengpeuk Regional Hospital, were damaged, resulting in 6 injuries. Though the earthquake did not pose a tsunami threat, authorities urged residents to stay vigilant. The head of Garut Department of Communication and Information advised caution when sharing photos, audio, and video related to the event on social media, encouraging residents to follow official government information and instructions.